Now we find the HCF by long division method. For example, we have three numbers 234, 538 and 678. Now we take the largest of three number as dividend and the second larger number as a divisor. Here 678 is the largest number, so we take as a dividend, and 538 is the second largest number, so we take as it a divisor. Now we divide 678 by 538. The quotient is 1 and the remainder is 140. Now 140 is we take as a divisor and 538 as a dividend, which is divisor before. Now we divide the 538 by 140, we get 3 quotient, and now 118 is remainder, now which is divisor, and 140 is as dividend. We get 1 quotient and 22 is remainder. Now we divide the 118 by 22, we get 5 quotient and 18 is remainder. Now 18 is divisor and 22 take as quotient. When we divide it, we get 1 as a quotient and 4 is left. Now we take 4 as divisor and 18 as dividend. When we divide it by 4, we get 2 is remainder. Now we divide the 4 by 2, we get 2 as quotient and 0 is a remainder. When we get 0 as a remainder, now the number which divides the given number exactly, it is the HCF of given number. So 2 is the HCF of given number. Now we divide 234, the third number, by 2, we get 170. Now the HCF is 2, which divide the three numbers exactly. First 2 is the HCF of first two numbers and it divides the third number exactly, so it is the HCF of